Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. This is Kajol and today we're going to get our nails done. Yes, I'm going to get my nails done again. This is the second time I'm getting my nails done from the same place, which is Febby Nails. This is in Wave Town in Noida, Sector 18. So firstly what he's going to do is remove my nail paint and also push my cuticles back, which was not recorded in the video, but they do that too. After that, he's going to file my nails as well as the nail bed so that the fake nails that he's going to press on will stick perfectly to the rough surface. Now this is the most damaging part to your nails. It took me about 6 months or so to get my nails back to life जब मैंने पहली बार nail extension कराया था. तो yeah, if you don't want that much damage to your nails, I would stay clear of nail extensions. But yeah, if you like nail extensions done, then it is fine. It's not that damaging, but yeah, it is damaging. Next up, he just chose the perfect size of nail that would go on my nail bed, and then he filed it according to my nail bed and then used a nail glue, which was like a super glue or something, and pressed it onto my nail bed. Now at this point you can actually tell him what kind of shape you like, कितने लंबे nails चाहिए आपको, XYZ, whatever changes you want in your nails, because now is the time that he's gonna give you the shape and the size that you want. So I wanted a little bit longer nails because I had to attend my sister's wedding, so that's why I went for a little bit longer. You can go for short nails as well, it's completely your choice. Now this time the filing is done in order to make the fake nail merge into your nail bed so that वो अलग से नहीं पता चलेगा that you have fake nails on, and also to give the complete shape. I was going for a coffin shape. You can go for almond, coffin, XYZ, whatever shape you like. Next up, he was going to put the acrylic thing. I don't know, it's monomer, something called monomer in powder, I don't know. So basically it becomes a gel like consistency which they spread onto your entire nail, and it kind of like strengthens the bond or something, and also gives a little bit of height that you see जो normal fake nails और जो normal nails में एक kind of pump सा दिखता है आपको difference, so it's because of this. The third time filing was to get rid of any of the excess of the monomer, if at all there was some, and to give the perfect shape to your nails. Filing is the most tedious process of it all. It takes most of the time. So this was the final result after entire filing and everything done. From this point onwards, you can go for temporary nail paint or permanent nail paint. I went for permanent nail paint, but you can choose whatever you want. You can go for glitters, you can go for accessories, you can go for stones, XYZ. The possibilities are endless. You can choose whatever you want to. So I went for a permanent nail paint first, and then I went ahead and added glitters and stones, which you will see in a minute. After they've applied the nail paint, they're going to cure your nails. Curing is basically drying up your nail paint perfectly. It was for about 60 seconds, and then you can do whatever you want with your nails. I went ahead and added a little bit of glitter in order to give that gradient effect to my nails, which you have seen in the beginning of this video. And yeah, I did it with the entire, like all of the nails. You can actually choose if you want one finger or you want all of them. It's completely your choice. After the nail paint, I went ahead and added some accessories. I went for these cute little bows and some stones on each finger. But a little tip, if you don't want your accessories to really irritate the life out of you, I would stay clear of it, because although it looked really cute, the bows looked really cute, but ये bow हर चीज़ में अटक रहे हैं, मेरे कपड़ों में अटक रहे हैं, चादर में अटक रहे हैं. You know, I'm not able to do much functioning with these, so I would suggest that you don't go for accessories of this sort. They look good, but they make your life miserable. So I would recommend that you don't put on accessories. Just put on stones and, you know, glitter and all that. That will look good as well. So after everything, they just locked the entire accessories and glitter and everything with this nail paint. It was not a normal nail paint, it was something of a different kind, which actually locked the entire thing. And then they cured my nails for about 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then yep, that was it. That was the final product. That was my final nail extensions done right there. It took me about 1.5 hours, and it was for 2500, and they're going to last for about 1 month if I'm able to carry them properly. But knowing me, I'll probably break them in about a week or two. But if you carry your nails gently, then they can last up to 6 months with, you know, fill-ins and all that. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.